Hi, I'm Dan Hoover, and I want to personally invite you to something that's been changing my life. Every morning lately, I've been giving myself 30 to 60 minutes of stillness. No agenda, no stress, no prep time. Just time for me to connect to myself, to the moment, to what really matters. And I've noticed something that I want to share with you. My mood is better. Ideas are flowing. Synchronicities magically appear. Even my Forex trading results are skyrocketing. It's like I tapped into something deeper, something bigger than me. And everything seems to flow easier and better. This is why Peggy and I created Quantum Edge. It's a simple daily experience to help you do the same. 4 mornings a week, we go live for 30 minutes. It's part short teaching exercise and part guided presence exercise to help you connect, reset, and live the rest of your day from a better place. And every day, the power of this seems to increase. It has a cumulative effect. You don't need to know anything in advance. You just show up and feel the shift. Or listen to the recordings on your schedule and receive the same benefits. Wouldn't it be nice if everything was this easy? We start next week, and I'd love to have you join us, or any time that you're ready. Just click the button below and learn more, and see if it resonates with you.